Welcome, Panda-Frog here, and today I like to enter the giveaway I don't like to enter, but I promise I will enter, because I'm not the spicy guy, but yeah. I will enter the giveaway from RoonPicker, and hashtag is, I have to look it up, RP Spicy Challenge. The rule is, pick a challenge lock. This is one by Harry Bow, number 50, Cheapside, number 50. But before I can do that, I have to take a spoon of Tabasco or hotter. I don't like spoons, so I will take a little shot. I will not take a complete glass, just like half. Let's see. Okay. Oh shit. This is gonna hurt. A little more, come on. This is about a shot, a small shot. If you see the bottle. It should be good. And it'll be hot. So, alright. About the lock, it is a 5-pin G-Do. I've picked this before on camera. Sometimes I get it open pretty fast and sometimes it takes me forever, so we will get it afterwards. Alright, the shot. I got my milk ready for later, and I have to clean up the stuff I spilled. And actually, I'm not a big fan of Tabasco because I don't think it tastes good. So let's get this baby in a vise. Got some focus on the vise. I don't want to do this. Oops, almost spilled it. Okay, so we got it in a vise. Some focus. So let's try the key. It does work. Oh man. Alright, Roon. So really guys, enter his giveaway. He only has like, with me, like 3 or 4 entries. And it's really sad. So come on, show your support for the community and enter his giveaway. Cheers. Oh god. Okay. It hurts. Oh fuck. Alright, let's concentrate. I found sometimes when you zip it, you get in a fourth set. Oh, it hurts. I'm not a Tabasco guy. I like spicy food. This is, oh my god. This is an Australian guy, HV Logic, and he's looking forward to this video. He told me, fuck. But he said it really quick. Alright, concentrate, buddy, concentrate. It hurts. And the sweat is starting. Alright, I got a slight fourth set. Let me see if I can get a deeper fourth set. Oh, fuck. It's getting better. The first shot, or the first second, or 10, 20, they were hurting really bad. But now, only my lips are burning. And I hope I can get this open quick. Because I need some milk. Mommy, can I have some milk, please? My little boy is upstairs in the bedroom. hopefully getting to sleep quite quickly. Trying to get him in bed a little earlier. Sometimes you need to zip it here. I found out. Right. Alright, it's getting better. It's not that bad anymore. But actually, I really don't like the taste of Tabasco. I don't know why you guys eat this. I'm okay with spicy, but Tabasco is like, wow, god damn it. Oh, there it comes again. Yeah, it hurts a second time. I'm not gonna reset it. Oh, the sweat is starting. I know it started before, but this hurts in waves. My lips are burning. I didn't get much on my lips actually. Can't concentrate. This is really hard. I trained this look a little. Done it like 5 times today, just to be sure I can be quick, but I cannot. I'm doing something wrong today. Shit. I need to get the fourth set. There's a big fourth set and a small fourth set. Usually I get in the big fourth set pretty quick. And it comes usually from the first pin. That was a small, very small fourth set, or small click. Not even fourth set. There's a fourth set. Ah, we got it open. Alright. Roon, thank you for the challenge. I don't know if I'm doing a second entry. It's so good. Milk is the best. Okay, so I picked it open for you. Let's see what we have inside. I gutted it before. There you can still see my empty glass, empty milk. I even got more milk if I need some. My pliers, no, not pliers. Pliers, also pliers. I need pliers. Yeah. And maybe I need a... Yes. So, quick question for the community. Would you be interested in seeing my working place down here? I mean, I'm in my cellar. I got a little like, since my kid now has my office, I have a little workshop in my cellar. So, oh fuck. So yeah, I can show you if you like. Just let me know. It's nothing special. So yeah, let me know if you want to see. I need a follower. Come on, man! This spice fucks me up. I probably will have omeprazole. It's for the stomach. A little later, so I don't have problems tonight. Alright, so let me see. Alright, so we're good. We go in here. No, Let me see which one I can use. No, not quite. Okay, so we got it here. Let's do this. Oh, I need to set the focus on here. Maybe there. All right, there. So pin 5 is a mushroom pin. Another mushroom pinny. Oh, sorry. I did kinda. Alright, so let me zoom in a little, maybe. Sorry. Okay, so then we got a key pin with 1 serration. I will show you closely later, in a minute. Another spoolie serration, and we got another so that are the driver pins here. Oh. And we got let me focus. I don't have a light. Come on. I'm not good today, I'm sorry, man. Let me get my phone for some extra light. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see it. Can I give it a little more light? Yes. So we got serration or drilling, threading in the core. All 5 are threaded. Okay, so here's the key. Now let's get the pins out of this G-Do. Ah, come on. So we got a... Oh, it's a pin and a pin. So... there we got a spool. And we got another spool, different material. And we got something serrated. And we have, last but not least, we have another serrated. So they're probably like this. And we take the spring. Now we leave the springs in, come on. Okay, we got also threading in the core. Looks like all 5 are threaded. That's amazing. The Bible, sorry. So let me get it up to you. So here we got the... I could zoom in. Would probably be better. Alright. that's that. So you see, first pin, threaded key. Then we got a pin and pin. Got like a bullet, or it's a bullet spool. There's a little serration up here. So I guess this one is this way. Then we got serration and serration, like mushroom. That's basically it. Roon, thank you for the challenge. I really hated it. I will get this back together and send it off to Germany. Thank you for watching. Check out his challenge. Do the challenge. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.